niko ni sawa ni comedian.
Sana mwanchi mliweta sendi ya Ndizi TV ni wacharagire Chinsa Ikomi. Mancho muligeri yango sabo kwabera asobotutukano bwa maliogiayo kolendengo kwaligani bene elinde tobetogo sanga asobwamo gochaka bono iga goika omoelio elitariane Fridah Kerubo na Chinsa mo chibiorokelio nigo tokubwatanere Joshua Auta ulio kweneke bna chibicha na maliogia berika kugwikira sole asenchira ya bene nigo akorokwa Abigail Nyanchama chinga kitoroche amatemwa a KCSC niga bakagocha kabene litkolia lero asense ya Kenya asabatene liba matemwa yo baboligwe kweneke bna bungainire limbulio chikwenekigwa nabayigo wizara y'ekisemi nigo yesokire bene nabayigo kweneke bna serikali nigo yabekire emirobili emikenu asokweneke bna amatemwa nonyana Chinsemo chirimbule nyingegende takwenekigwa na chikoba kagoikira no mwanchu muri ayungati yalingwaliganete asomogorobo lero tuskatonyegera kwira nanda segeke Kerubo elinde ngobanye amange. Asentunda yomoelio niga matemwa KCC abakagochaka bene ase ense ya Kenya. Ime county ya Kisii ase sub county ya Marani nige container ya bage koigorwa nomo director we sub county ya sensemo yechisemi Justice Kimei asabuatoka amatemwa gochia ase chiskuru okwana niga baga kubolia abateneneri ba matemwa yoko ba maiso na boigo kweneke bna bongainere bwende bwansi mboligo chikwenekigwa kolende niga baga kweneke bna kera omorkigo betega kwerikia asa matemwa yo niga rachiko baka ko yaikaransera aserera okwege na okonene ko gochigokolia bya omwako gocha.
We have agreed with the center managers that the integrity of this exam is going to be ensured. Briefing was done to all the principals and also the center managers. And again, the rehearsals were done at the schools where all the students were identified and their sitting environments or the examination centers were arranged and the names of the students pasted on the desks. So we expect that good work is going to be done. We have agreed with the principals or the center managers this morning that they should be present in their stations and ensure that everything that goes with the exam is done well, especially the frisking of students before going into the rooms, so that unwanted or unauthorized materials are not smuggled into the classroom. That come January on next year, we expect that all the schools will have their results and we expect that the students are going to perform well in this.
Ime county ya Nyamira ni gomorobili yoba kogo kolekana asensemo ya Nyamira South asababu atani bechisemi baba gwikirana irinde koligerelia okoigurwa gwechi container cha matemwa gati abali baba bagwikirana ngamono mo director wensemo ya Teacher Service Commission ime county ya Nyamira Catherine Mwenda na boigo omo director wechisemi Joshua Kaaga na boigo omo deputy county commissioner Florence Mbuga negati yababuatani kolende nigo aborkia baburiga kubwatia amachiko kura sensemo yoboteneneli bwanek elinde kwenekia obokoleri obia.
The next guidelines, every activity usually has guidelines, has procedures, and the next guidelines are very, very clear. Ukifika kwa shule weka mtihani kwa darasa, pahali security ataona wakiwa na wanafunzi. Ukifungua wacha wanafunzi waone.
We have a pending case of malpractice that happened last week in Ikomi, ndio. So please do not, that teacher is going to court by Friday. And on my radar, there are some three schools that are on my radar. So if you are police, if you are trying to do something, don't.
Hello? You are a suspect, each one of you. This year I was talked about 3 schools. Me and the CD have a list of many other schools in the county that are on the spotlight. Because what we have realized is that some of us here are using BOM teachers who are not even registered by TSC to undertake their evil plans as far as exams.
Wizara y'ekisemi nigo yaenekire buna nigo babekire mirobiri emikirano asogotanga obungainereria asamatemu amanene a KCSE ayo bakagochaka litkolya lero okwana muliki obutambe ase wizara y'ekisemi Belio Kipsang chingaki alekoenana amatemwa asensemo ya Westlands niga bagakoeneke buna nonya chinsemo chiria embule nyinge gendete koenekigwa niga serikali yabekire emirobiri asokoeneke buna chindege nchichigotumika asokweneke babiri bagoikirania amatemwa ase chinsemecho.
We've been able to deal with quite a number of spaces on social media. Quite a number of them have been brought down. Quite a number of them have been closed. Quite a number of people have been arrested. Quite a number of these people have been arrested. This week we are very sure we shall continue being very hard on these social media fellas who are giving us challenges. Turkana, we were told there were 2 sub-counties which were facing enhanced rains, and a chopper has been released to that region. We have also another 2 choppers in Tana River where also there are quite some enhanced rains. And as we do this, we are urging our colleagues to be more careful, so that they don't try or attempt to cross rivers where there is flood.
Magega yobosagani koenekigwa ase omo MCA we wodi ya Babaracho Ibrahim onanigo igatia ba MCA kurasorgongoru wa Gusii babire bagwesoke bene nabo igo komochia egekorekyo okwana nigo babolire serikali koenekibna ngoeneke bale obulendi asaba MCA bande linde kotanga ebikoro bunebyo kokolekana amatukabosyo
na yaliyokuwa yanapangwa kinyume na mimi. Mungu alituondolea na tunamshukuru. Na wote wale ambao walikuwa wanafanya hayo, labda walikuwa wanafanya kwa kutojua, ninaomba Mungu pia akawafunulie wapate kuelewa ni nini walikuwa wanafanya. Sababu lengo langu mimi sio kuandama mtu wala kufanya chochote. Sijaibia mtu mimi, sijatusi mtu, sijakuwa kinyume na mtu yeyote. Lakini yanao nifuata sijui kwenye anatoka, na hiyo mipango yote mimi ninaajia serikali, sababu nilienda paka kwa serikali nikapeana ripoti ya kwamba ni vile tulifahamiwa, na kusema ukweli vile ile ripoti ilisambaa. Nataka kushukuru maaskari wetu, hawakuchukua dakika 5 kufika hapa. Ningependa kusema hivi tukiwa sisi unajua kama wawakilizi wa wananchi, sitaki kusema ati sasa nitaogopa. Usalama wangu uko imara, sababu mimi nimezungukwa na malaika wa Mungu, nimezungukwa na wananchi wangu. Chenye tu ninaomba serikali yetu kuu, kwa sababu sisi pia tumechaguliwa kuwakilisha watu, inastahili tupewe maofisa wa polisi wenye wanakaa na sisi kama vile wabunge wamepewa.
Abaro kiabanene bechiskuru chioboroso nigo litkolya lero baba kumira na ime county ya Mombasa asbaba gokwanira ali babeire bagwetera anemono chingaki obokoreri bwabo bwabeire bokoirana magega okwana nigo baba kumulikira gati ya ali babeire bagwetera asbaba kumulikira okuborwa koborendi ogokia kwa borokiwa anene asensemo gosasomoroberio OCBC nabo igogo kia kwenibo asebabuli serikali kubaligerelia.
Kwanza kabisa ni kusikia zaidi mipangilio ambayo iko kuhusu CBC. Pamoja na hayo Tunaona kama sisi kama walimu wakuu kazi zimeongezeka na tunahitaji kuwa motivated better. Na kwa hivyo tunatarajia kwa conference hii wataongea pia kuhusu mshahara kitu kama hicho.
Issues to do with infrastructure in our schools, issues to do with the staffing in our schools. All this have been raised and we have invited different directors to come and address them within this week. Sisi tungefurahia ya kwamba walimu wote wale wanaofanya kazi kwa mipaka yote ya Kenya wamelindwa, wako na usalama wa kutosha, ndipo waweze kupeana elimu kama ipasavyo.
Serikali ya Germany nigo yaenanire bintu byobochenu gocha asense ya Kenya beligolirie chimilioni 50 okwana omwaziri bwobochenu Susan Nakuminja na boigo omurugi bw'omurai bwense Rachel Ruto nigo baenekebno gosirio kongo chigokinia ebirengo byobochenu asense ya Kenya.
Working together with partners, like-minded partners, to ensure that we improve the health services of Kenyans. And our commitment has gone to the extent that now we have legislation that will force all of us to work together. In the primary health care bill, we have what we call a primary care network. In a primary care network, it does not matter whether you are a private hospital, a faith-based hospital, or a public health hospital. We are putting you in a situation where you must work together in that primary care network to provide services for Kenyans.
Today represents a significant step in bringing healthcare services closer to those in the far-flung areas who normally have to travel long distances to access medical services. Given the arid and semi-arid nature of these regions, the donations will boost healthcare access in these counties by bringing services closer to the people.
Serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo ya mochirwe asogokonga kubugima na boigo egurube nene yebango ase abakenya okwana yo kumulikira amangana ya uchumi chinga kibaba gutwara egekaro igoro yo kurigereria ogokonga kubugima Billy Okelo niga mochia serikali asogotaigwa ekirero kya abakenya na boigo kugendera kumulikira ebintu bitali byengencho.
Because of the Hamas and Israeli war, that the international prices could go up to $150, and that would literally mean our products going to a high of 300 shillings per liter at the pump. We hope it doesn't get there. So we are almost managing scaling the heights as we chew the gum every day to make sure we do manage this frame. And because I did say, Chair, that these are products which are real drivers of inflation. And so we are conscious, honorable members, we are working on it on a day-to-day basis to make sure that though it's a global challenge, we do obtain the best price for our country. Kenya is a gateway for Uganda, Kenya is a gateway for Congo, South Sudan. And so we are not just managing for Kenya, we are trying to really obtain the best as a gateway because of our port of Mombasa, which services the other countries.
Abantu Ikomi noyomo nigo baba gusiria obugima bwabo emambi ya lero kubwatikana no mubasokano bwepara oyobogo koenekegwa asensemo ya Sobea ase pale nene ya Eldoret Nakuru. Aya magega ye Nissan gotuma nanetrela ase kolende omontereba bwetrere yo abakago chia bichuko chingaki obotuki bwabere bogo chakigwa bene. Kolenda abantu bane nigo bagendete konyora obogwenia ase gitari ya Nakuru Referral and Teaching ase bali basiria obugima bwabo baba gwikigwa ase nkendu.
We received 7 casualties from an accident that was said to have happened at Salga. Out of the 7, unfortunately 2 of them were brought in dead. That was a 6-month baby and a man, a middle-aged man. Another female died at casualty. But right now we have 3 patients who are admitted.
Ningeomba kwamba Isiwe ikawa tu Ngata peke yake ambayo inatengenezwa. Tunaomba kwamba hii njia yote kutoka hapa Ngata mpaka pale ishikane na ile ya pale Sachangwan ili iweze kusaidia, kwa sababu kifo ya leo imekuwa uchungu na watu wengi wameweza kufa.
Around saa 9 ya usiku ya alfajiri, kati ya lori na matatu. Matatu ilikuwa inatoka sehemu za Kitale ikielekea Nairobi. So far tumeweza kudhibitisha watu 8 wakiwa wameaga dunia na wengine majeruhi karibu 5 kukiwemo watoto.
Mwanjo muligereria kurwasa roboti uruni na ikiro mwaelio bwa mangana ya asibire biga kulinde skatonyegera ekoraga ensa eyemo ayona mange no nyara sinchira iyo bikirano nabakwenda gutubwatia sinsemo chichi mitandao sinsemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sinsemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News sinsemo ya website nabagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net maiga kamera kwene kibuna ebichana bayigeliogi lyagwikira sole asinchira ya bene nigakurukwa Abigail Nyanchama tobeto kubatanere Joshua Auta asinsemo chibiorokelio na nchiriane Fridah Kerubo twara obuligerelia borobia.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'Gusii. Kwarigiriye obugwenia asumuchando bw'uburwaire obere kugukwiranirira bono Ever Health Multidynamic Hub ni kampani y'ubugwenia kurwa sensi ya buindi yikurwa mariogo yemete asamarwere amange amariogo ayo niga kubwenia amarwere buna oburwaire bw'sukari, arthritis, ulcers, asthma, amarwere ya komenta baga chinguru chubosacha ayugusibya bangina enchera y'urwiboro ayakubwenia uburwaire bwa sickle cell anemia ayugutanku uburwaire bwa kansa boigo uburwaire bwa prostate asabagaka
samalita ngurubudankani malita mulias gonde omulisia we kanisa ya Tonga SDA Church.